What is up everybody, it is JDHD here, and today I'm building my own computer. Now this will be eventually a gaming PC with a graphics card and everything in it, but for now these are the components I have. I will be installing the graphics card and the water cooler later on, as well as an extra 3TB drive, but for now I have a power supply, motherboard, RAM and CPU, as well as a M.2 drive from Samsung, and let's get started, as well as this Corsair 350D case. Let's go. Starting off here, I removed the two side panels from the Corsair 350D case. This is a micro ATX case with 5-row accessible PCIe slot covers, which allows for two NVIDIA graphics cards, which are normally dual slot, and my ones will be, I think. And yeah, it also leaves me with an extra space to put something like a Wi-Fi card in. Other than this, I then moved on to the motherboard, which was the Z97MX Gaming 5 from Gigabyte. I removed all of the drivers and all of the wires and things from the box and left the rear I/O shield separately so that I could put that into the case without, well, ignoring it. After taking out the motherboard, I could then put it on top on a safe anti-static bag, which, oh yeah, it came with one, so yeah, that's what I used. This stops it from getting any static in it, which isn't very good. I then put in the RAM, which is Corsair Vengeance Pro. This is two sets of 8GB, so 16GB in total, which were just two sticks, and 2400 MHz means I can overclock the board's reading and writing, which allows it for, well, quicker use. I then put in the M.2 drive, which was the Samsung XP941, I think, which normally you meant to push in a bit better, but I didn't, but after screwing it in, it still worked, so it's good enough. I then moved on to the CPU, which was the i7-4790K from Intel. After removing the slot cover, I then tried to put it in, and there was no gold triangle to try and find on the board, so I just used the notches that, well, the CPU and the motherboard have, and after pushing down quite hard, yeah, you don't have to worry about if it's a bit too hard, because, yeah, it's quite hard to push down. I then put on the CPU cooler, which was the Intel stock heatsink, which, after taking about 20 minutes to decide which way round I wanted it, because I kind of wanted the rain the right way up, I then pushed in it the wrong way. Well, normally you're meant to do it in diagonal crossways, just so that less strain is put onto your motherboard, although with the stock heatsink it's not necessarily as bad. I then put in the rear I/O shield and moved on to the motherboard. I put it in onto the pre-installed standoffs in the case and screwed it in. After doing that, I moved on to the power supply, which was the XFX Pro 850W Black Edition, which is a fully modular power supply. I then screwed it in and got to move on to the cables. When doing the cables, I started off with 24-pin, which comes in two cables that go into the power supply. I don't know why they did it, probably just to stop too much things from going on one side, but yeah, whatever happened, that's what I did. You need to make sure that you push it in very well, because the way that I did it, I had to come back to it after going around and plugging it into my motherboard to find out that it had pretty much fallen out. After this, I then put it through the wire managing grommets through the side, and it came out directly where my 24-pin needed to go in. So after putting in this and my brother's strobe lighting, I then moved on to the 8-pin, which I put into the PSU, and then, like all cameras do, it blacked out. Yes, it ran out of battery. But then my Prime build was done. Yes, this is why I'm calling it the Prime, since it is what it is, well, my first computer I have made, and my hopefully best. With the i7-4790K powering it, it is very powerful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe for more videos, and tell me in the comments if I did anything correctly or bad that you'd like to see or not see in the next videos. Other than this, I hope to see you in the next one. See you, dudes.